In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clean Lululemon dual pouch wristlet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, of course, empty it. So make sure that you grab everything from both pockets or pouches. Once it is completely empty, inspect for stains. If there are noticeable stains, you can pre-treat them with a gentle stain remover designed for delicate fabrics. So you can use a little bit of stain remover. Just make sure not to go overboard and make sure that you are using stuff that will not damage the finish on your Lululemon dual pouch wristlet. Next, gather your supplies. This can range from a lot of stuff. What I would recommend is mild detergent. So grab some mild detergent. You can choose any one that you prefer to use, preferably one formulated for delicates or active wear. Avoid bleach, harsh chemicals, and fabric softeners. Use only cold water. So it's very important that you always use cold water for this. Make sure that you have a clean sink or hand washing, and you might need a soft cloth or sponge for spot cleaning. A clean and dry towel can also help for blotting excess water. Next, just wash it thoroughly. So fill your sink with water, add a very small amount of detergent, and you will be able to submerge the Lululemon wristlet. So submerge it until it is completely covered and you will be able to wash it thoroughly. So clean the wristlet in the soapy water, gently swish it around, and if needed, use your fingers or a soft cloth or sponge to clean any soiled areas. Avoid scrubbing it too much. Once this is done, you just have to rinse it properly. So with it properly submerged and all of the spots clean, you will be able to drain the soapy water from the basin that you were using and then fill it with clean cold water. So by rinsing it again with cold water, you will be able to finalize this process and truly remove any sort of dust or debris that remains. With this done, just make sure that you let it dry, and by giving it enough time to properly dry, you will be able to do this. It is recommended to lay the wristlet flat to air dry. So this is going to be the best option that you have to maintain the finish. I hope I was able to help you on how to clean Lululemon dual pouch wristlet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.